Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making sausage and cheddar biscuits. These biscuits are going to be tender and fluffy and they're loaded with cheese, sausage, and some herbs. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe you're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 pound of breakfast sausage of your choice cooked and drained, 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Before we get started on any of the biscuits, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Now we're going to go in with our baking soda and baking powder into our flour, our salt. We're going to whisk this together just for a couple seconds to get it well incorporated. Now we're going to want to take our super cold butter. I like to grate mine. We're going to go into our flour. We're just going to slightly mix this together until we get tiny little clumps about the size of a pea. Once the butter is well incorporated, we're going to add in our 1 pound of cooked and drained sausage right into the flour. Give that a mix. Get it well incorporated. Now we're going to go in with our cheddar cheese as well. Stir this up. Now we're going to add in our cup of buttermilk, and we're going to slightly knead this together until we get a nice dough. Now we're going to turn out our dough onto a well-floured station, and we're going to mix this together till we get a nice ball of dough. And once the dough comes together, you're going to want to flatten it out, but we don't want to overwork it. We're going to go about 1 inch thick into a rectangle. Now we're going to break this down into 12. We're going to go square with them just to set them apart from all the other biscuits. Now we're going to brush the top of our biscuits with some melted butter. We're going to go into our 425 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. Once they're done in the oven, we're going to let them cool slightly. Now let's pan out and get a taste of these. Let's get a taste of these. Crack one open. It's really light and flaky. You got the separation from the melted butter in there. Yeah, these are money right here. You get the savoriness from the sausage, the sharpness of the cheddar cheese, all mixed in a light flaky biscuit. That will make any breakfast wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.